This is the new Ojo. It talks,
on.
it gets you there easily, and it's all electric. Take an Ojo across the city, to your job, while enjoying your favorite tunes through its built-in Bluetooth speakers. Recharging is always just a plug away. The city, the neighborhood, shops, the beach. Riding around campus? No sweat. And there's a convenient hook to carry around your belongings. Okay, you want to know how fast Ojo really goes? It's got 3 speed modes and a top speed of 20 miles per hour. It's got powerful disc brakes. The Ojo is a blast to ride, and even lets you know when somebody is trying to get a hold of you. Bike lanes are popping up everywhere, and you'll own them. Whether the road is straight or hilly, the Hypergear motor can handle anything. Running errands? There's a motion-activated alarm. The Ojo comes equipped with lots of goodies, including an onboard charger and removable battery. Frustrating traffic, congestion, parking? No problem. And you can ride this continuously for 25 miles on full charge. The Ojo is clean, stable, and stylish. Ride however you want. Push the limits. Oh wow, really? It's real transportation for a better planet. Join us and be a part of the clean revolution. The Ojo.
situation.
Hi, I'm Max and I'm a designer. In next 2 minutes I'm gonna invite you to meet Narita. Narita is a smart e-bike and our vision is to make it affordable for all people around the world. Let's take a look.
This is Narita, an electric bicycle, and beautifully the most affordable carbon fiber smart electric bike ever. With 3 model ranges, Street, Street Plus, and Homey, all under $1,000. You can ride Narita as a normal bike with the 10-speed Shimano gears, or enjoy the luxury and the real joy of the 500 watts electric hub motor to go further and beyond effortlessly. You can cruise smoothly through your neighborhood at up to 20 miles per hour or 32 kilometers per hour, and with a range of up to 50 miles or 80 kilometers on a single charge. Narita makes every journey an exciting experience. Narita is a beautifully designed smart e-bike with a very lightweight yet extremely strong monocoque carbon fiber frame and a powerful motor at an affordable price, with unique and recognizable silhouette featuring a cutting-edge technology and packed with mind-blowing options. Narita is not a downhill bike, but it doesn't mean we haven't pushed it too hard and break its limits. Introducing Narita Heartbeat Assist. When activated, the faster heartbeat you get, the more assist you get from the motor automatically. This mode gives you 3 pedal assist levels based on your heartbeat rate. You can also calibrate the percentage of assist you would like to receive using the Narita app.
We have already built several prototypes and been testing them over and over. Now, all we need is your support to start the production and bring the Narita to you. Thanks for watching.
Narita, the future is here. Let's ride along.